Hi, Jeff here with Emtek, shooting on location today. Well, we're at my house, as a lot of you are. We're going to share with you some of the products that we believe Emtek already has available to make your entrance hands-free. So we've put together a kit of items here that could be used individually or all together, and they will make it so that your door is hands-free and possibly easier to use. Okay, the items that we put together are a standard entry set, a empowered deadbolt, which is powered by August. You can buy the two together as one complete package or individually. We have a set of spring hinges. We have a door grab that we put together. We have a standard ball catch and a magnetic door stop. First, we'll start with somewhat of an unboxing. Here is an entrance handle set. And in this box in here, we have two different back set latches and the miscellaneous door hardware. All right, let's cut this entrance set open. There's our handle grab. For the empowered lock, got the instructions. In the back here, there's a compartment that has batteries, one latch, and another latch for both back sets and the hardware. All right, let's cut this open. So that's the hub. Here's the keypad. The interior escutcheon. Okay, let's open up these spring hinges. So my door has the 4-inch with the 1/4-inch round. There's the screw pack and installation tools. Okay, so here is the ball catch. We're going to use this to replace the standard latch. Just a ball catch like you might find in a cabinet. But this fits into the standard door prep. And finally, the magnetic hold and its hardware. Okay, let's get to installing this. Got our school lessons going on. Over here.
Hi.
Okay, so as I mentioned, we are going to put this ball catch in. And it fits right in there. It has no effect as to whether this goes in first or this goes in first, because they're not going to be interacting. On the jam, we're going to put this ball catch strike. It's a little different. Shifting it slightly back of center, just to ensure that the ball catch holds the door closed when the deadbolt latches. The idea here is that you don't need to use your hands to open the latch. Now with the ball catch and this grab, you can grab it with your forearm and pull it open. Okay, so now we're going to install the deadbolt. This is the empowered lock set, powered by August. Doing good. I'm filming a video at my house right now for the install.
Register master code. Press the gear key to continue. Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue. Registered. Factory reset completed. Touch the keypad for handing lock. Handing lock completed.
Firmware update successful. Your lock needs to be restarted while the module is installed. Remove the battery from your lock. Wait 10 seconds.
Thank you for using Emtek.
Okay, so we have the smart lock installed. We have the ball catch installed. Those two right there are enough to make this a hands-free door. Now I'm going to install the spring hinges. Alright, now we're going to install the magnetic catch.